Hello, my friends. I hope you are doing fabulously today. I'm going to share with you one of my family's favorite soups. It is an extremely healthy soup and it is extremely easy to make. Just has a handful of ingredients. So I'm going to walk through the ingredients, how you make it, and I hope you'll make this for your people. This is a lentil soup and everything you need is very easily accessible at Trader Joe's. If you don't live near a Trader Joe's, I'm hoping you can find one of the ingredients, which I only think you can find at Trader Joe's, but we'll get to that in just a minute. We're going to start with the base of the soup, the flavor base, the aromatics that you saute stovetop, and that is mirepoix. Mirepoix is sold already prepared at Trader Joe's. I never leave without it. It's this full and it's carrots, celery, and onion chopped and ready to saute for any dish that needs the mirepoix base. Mirepoix is French. It's the basis of things like chicken soups, chicken noodle soups, chicken and rice, more French leaning type dishes. You've probably heard of the Holy Trinity, which is found in Cajun dishes. It's pepper, celery, and onion, like red and green pepper, celery, and onion. So the Trinity is more in Cajun dishes, and mirepoix French is in this dish. Ingredients matter, and I want to just quickly tell you the ingredients that you're layering in this soup and how I use some that I consider superior to others. And the first one is something we use all day, every day, and that's salt. This is Redmond's real salt. You can see it is different. It's pink. You can see all the minerals that are retained, not stripped. I'm gonna link to anything that I have a link for, and I also have a discount code for Redmond's. It's the only salt I use, and you will be getting minerals in this that will help your family have minerals that they need. All of that is stripped in regular table salt. Okay, then I used freshly ground pepper, I did a little garlic powder, and one of the most important things in our kitchen are the oils we use, and I sauteed this in my favorite EVOO, Costarina. I have Costarina in so many different flavors. This is infused with spicy red pepper. I used this. You can also get one that's got garlic in it, and that would be great for this soup. Costarina is one of the highest polyphenol, those are the good ingredients that help your blood on the market. And I do have a discount code for that, so make sure you look at that. Now, we've sauteed our mirepoix. It smells fabulous, and it is the flavor base for the soup. Now, we're going to look at the lentils. Okay, lentils are extremely healthy. A half of a cup has 10 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber, a half of a cup. They are legumes, and you can see that they're vacuum packed and they're steamed. These are used a lot in Mediterranean dishes, but I'm gonna show you how these look when you break open the seal and put them in your soup. They are such a convenient way to enjoy lentils. So we're just gonna open it up, and what I like to do is just cut a big opening like this, and as you can see, they're stuck together, but I use one hand with a glove where I can break it up. Look at this. Guys, I just love this. Look at that. You just break them up, and I like to break them up before I put them in the pan, because if I just dump them in whole and don't stir it, sometimes there will be a big clump. So I'm just gonna break everything up. Gonna mix this in with the mirepoix. Take off my glove. Get rid of this box. Wipe my hands. So you can see that sort of looks like ground beef. And this is often used as a substitute for meat, like a veggie burger, that type of thing. This is Trader Joe's organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup. You can get roasted red pepper soup at the grocery. It's just another brand. So I put all of that in, and my recipe for this will be linked below. You can go directly to my blog. This keeps very, very well, and it's delicious. Then 1 can of, it calls for fire roasted. I did not have fire roasted, so that's fine. Fire roasted just adds a different depth of flavor. And then it calls for a cup of Broth, I'm going to use my favorite, and I think I have a code for this, but I know I have a link. This is 24 karat bone broth, and it's the most convenient way to have bone broth. Look how beautiful. It has like turmeric. It's extremely healthy. It's from Chroma, so you don't ever have to worry about being out of bone broth. They have beef. This is chicken. Just a few scoops and water, and that's all you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir this. This is one of my favorite convenience products ever, and it tastes delicious. It's a very, very yummy, healthy bone broth. And that is it. So I want y'all to see. So you see here, it was that easy. And now I'm going to just bring it to a slight boil and then simmer for about 20 minutes because everything is cooked. You just want the flavors to meld. But look at that. This is wonderful, served with a grilled cheese. You can get those sliced gyro pieces at Trader Joe's if you're going to be at Trader Joe's anyway. They have gyro meat that's already sliced. You can get some tzatziki sauce and serve this along with it. It's just that easy. You get the ingredients, you dump, and you go. I am glad that I was able to share this with you. I love sharing recipes, especially easy and healthy. If you make this, I'd love to hear from you, and I so appreciate you following along, watching my content. I love thinking that I might be adding value to your family. So follow if you like my content, and you'll be alerted when there is more. And as always, until next time, be blessed and stay savvy.